Okay guys, we're out here. We're going to take a look at the 2019 Ford Ranger and the XL trim. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and do a little walk around, take a look at the truck, show you some of the cool features of it and some of the add-ons I did. So this is my 2019 Ranger and XL trim, and I went ahead and added these chrome inserts here to make the Ranger emblem stand out a little bit more. Thought that was definitely going to be cool. I added on the accents around the lights right here. Definitely makes it look a little bit better. Adds a little bit to it. So mine comes with the metal front bumper. It's very clean, very good looking. Gotta say, I really do like this truck. Coming around the truck, you see we have the Ranger XL trim right here. Even though I don't need it, I added these plastics right here, if in case you have the chrome. I added the Ranger door handles. Adds a little bit more black on the side, as you see when I zoom back here. Definitely makes it look better. Looks really good. So those are great add-on. I went with the Yakima Overhauls as well as the Yakima Bedrocks because I thought I wanted to have 3 layers in case I were to put an overhaul tent or something up top. I could still use the Bedrocks and then have a cage or something to store extra gear. So definitely thought that. Coming around the back here, I added in the Ranger inserts to make the letters stand out. Definitely looks better. I could have added a little plate right here, but I didn't do that, thinking about getting the full one across. Here's a full back shot. The truck looks really good. Definitely like it. Going around to the side, I got the stock wheels, stock everything. Added a gas cover. Definitely, like I said again, makes it stand out. So, need to get windows tinted. Need to get the side steps. I wanted to get roof racks to match the overhauls. Wanted to get a few other things over time, but I definitely like it. Forgot to mention, in the back here, I installed a Bedrug myself. Took everything out, put it in. Really easy to do. It took me about maybe 30 minutes up to 45 minutes. Did it by myself. It was very simple. Just take it out, let it decompress, zip everything together, put the double-sided tape where you need it, and it installs really easy. So gotta say, I do like it. It's definitely padded, feels great to sit on, to get in there, climb on their knees, no issues at all. So very cool, like it very much. I got some accessories for my Yakima Overhauls. I got the ladder rack, the ladder roller, and some of the harnesses slash tie downs. They're really nice, very cheap. Also got the sidebars, and I got a couple tie downs. So make it very easy to use, very modular, very simple. Okay, I haven't gotten a chance to clean the inside yet, but I did get the Max Tech floor liners for my truck. They're really nice. They come up on the sides like the WeatherTechs, but don't cost nearly as much. I definitely recommend them. I think they're very cool. Take a look at the back next and the passenger side. Here's the passenger side of the WeatherTech. As you can see, it comes up on the side walls of the sit floor area, so it does a good job of collecting all dirt and debris in there. Really like them. Didn't cost that much. I think it was like 140 bucks for front and back, so very good deal. Okay guys, as I said, here's the back. The WeatherTechs go all the way across. They come up on the sides. They basically collect all dirt, dust, and debris in there, and they do a really good job like the WeatherTechs, but for a lot less money. So highly recommend them for your truck. I pretty much got a bone stock Ranger, but I added a couple things myself to make it look and perform a little bit better for me. And that's my Ranger XL. Definitely a fan. Gas mileage isn't what it claims so far, but I'm only at about 1480 miles right now, so hopefully it improves more by up to around 5,000 or so, I heard, but definitely be paying attention to that. But I do love the truck. It's powerful, it's quick, it's efficient, and it's snappy. So that's an initial look around at my 2019 Ford Ranger. Stay tuned, I'll be back with more.